Sure. All right. Cool. Well, here today with Dallas Martin of Toyota Production Engineering. Thanks for coming here. This is awesome.
No problem.
Yeah.
I enjoy coming to Germany.
Yeah. Well, good. Well, Dallas has been a customer of ours for how many years now? About 4 or 5 years?
5 years, yeah.
5 years.
Yeah.
And so if you don't mind giving just a quick synopsis of what you do at Toyota Production Engineering.
Yeah. So I am an additive manufacturing engineer for Toyota. We don't design the cars and we don't build the cars. We're the gap in between them that make sure the manufacturing processes, the equipment, and all of the fixtures and jigs are okay for manufacturing and approved to go on. And then we use additive enabled technology with that, and we use also traditional with it. So we have to mix a lot of automation to make our jobs faster. Our team is not real large, so automation really helps.
Great, great. Yeah, with automation, you kind of talk about not only the additive side or the building side, but again, the post-printing side. So looking at different print technology, I know you have FDM, you have SLA.
Yep.
You know, with post-process, you've adapted both the base and also the Demi 4100.
Absolutely. So the base was no question at first because FDM was our largest area. And we have over 18 FDM machines, very large format machines. And we knew the base was going to be a winner, a home run. And we use it every day. So we utilize it for removing support. And our flow used to take like 48 hours because we would have to wash a part in the old traditional way in a tank, set it out on a rack to dry, and then try to remove that excess SR30 and then the support, material that comes off of it in the tank. And then it went from 48 hours now to 15 minutes on some small parts to 45 minutes on a larger part. So we're able to put the part in the engineer's hand a lot faster.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, so it's awesome. So I think on with SLA, you might remind me the printers that you have, and then how
so
you use
so SLA, yeah. So I was going to get into that one. Sorry,
yeah.
SLA. We bought the Neo 800s.
Yep.
I had 3D Systems machines my whole life, and then the Neo 800s came out. They're a lot bigger, so obviously automotive goes real big.
Yep.
So we bought the Neo 800s, and we needed a process that was better than like the old Ramcos or an alcohol bath. I'm not allowed to have alcohol in the facility because of flammability. So we had to look for a solution that was a lot safer, but was also automated. So when the Demi 4100 was available to us, we thought, well, this is a no-brainer also. We're going to have the same process flow in our FDM as we would have in our SLA and resin room and have the same control. So it's less operational training, less changing from one controller to another and having to remember what you have to do to each setting. So we wanted that commonality.
Great. Yeah. Yeah, I know with our systems, we also have the same interface. So you have the same interface in the base with the 4100. So it's a little bit easier for operators to kind of go from one system from a training perspective.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so as you grow, man, we're really excited to continue working with you. And I know you're always looking to bring on the latest and greatest innovations with additive. And, we hope to be there to support you moving forward.
Absolutely. Thank you.
But, man, hey, really appreciate you coming out today.
I appreciate you guys letting me stop by.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks.